Budget mirrorless cameras have dramatically lowered the barrier to entry for enthusiasts and creators who demand lightweight, capable imaging without paying flagship prices. This article compares 5 budget-centric Canon and Panasonic options, including a renewed Canon bundle, to reveal how they perform in real-world stills and video contexts, how their autofocus systems, sensors, and processing pipelines translate to day-to-day use, and where value truly lies. Our methodology involved evaluating core criteria that matter most to budget-conscious buyers: image quality, sensor size and resolution, autofocus performance, AF zones, eye face detection, video capabilities, 4K frame rates, crop, handling and portability, body size, weight, controls, battery life and durability, and ecosystem considerations, lenses, accessories, and future-proofing.
Product number 1. Canon EOS R100 Kit. The Canon EOS R100 kit with RFS 18-45mm is a compact entry-level addition to Canon's RF ecosystem, featuring a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and the Digic 8 processor. It offers dual-pixel CMOS AF with 143 AF zones, eye detection AF, and 4K video with modest crop. Its strengths lie in portability, a beginner-friendly interface, and long-term Canon lens compatibility, including the RFS zoom, which provides decent versatility for travel and everyday shooting. The kit's 6.5 FPS continuous shooting in one-shot AF mode and Full HD 100p for slow-motion video add practical value for casual action and video creators. Performance-wise, the R100 exhibits solid image quality for its class, with good color rendition and a reliable AF system that covers a broad area.
Product number 2. Panasonic Lumix G7. The Panasonic Lumix G7 represents a micro four thirds option with a 16 megapixel sensor, 4K video, and a fold-out LCD. It's known for an intuitive control layout and an articulating screen touchscreen, plus robust 4K photo capabilities that allow extracting stills from video. It shifts with the 14 to 42mm kit lens and includes basic stabilization via Mega OIS. The G7's strengths are its balance of features at a budget price, the flexible 4K workflow via photo extraction from video, and strong value in its micro four thirds ecosystem. In practice, the G7 delivers solid detail and color for its class, with 4K at 30 FPS and a comprehensive set of exposure controls that suit enthusiasts upgrading from compact cameras. Product number 3. Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless Camera. This Amazon Renewed bundle bundles a Canon EOS R100 with a comprehensive accessories package, effectively boosting the perceived value for budget buyers who want immediate kit completeness. The core camera uses the same 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and Digic 8 processor, dual pixel AF with 143 zones, and 4K/Full HD capture. Renewed status implies tested functionality and a limited warranty, making it attractive for price-conscious buyers willing to accept refurbished gear. From a usage perspective, the Renewed bundle expands versatility with included wide and telephoto lenses, a range of filters, a tripod, and a flash.
Product number 4. Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless Camera. This is the standard Canon EOS R100 kit with RFS 18 to 45mm, emphasizing portability and a straightforward feature set. It highlights a contemporary imaging pipeline, 24.1 megapixels, Digit 8, and dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF across 143 zones, with continuous shooting up to 6.5 frames per second and 4K video support. The model excels as a practical entry-level option designed for creators who want a compact all-rounder with Canon's lens compatibility and service network. In real-world use, the R100 delivers reliable performance for both stills and video, with good color science and a responsive AF system for everyday subjects. Its limitations appear in high ISO performance and limited in-body stabilization, making brighter lighting and stabilized lenses preferable for video.
Product number 5. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R50 represents a newer generation APS-C option with a 24.2 MPC sensor and Digic X processor. It features a broad AF system with 651 dual-pixel AF2 zones, 100% by 100% coverage, and advanced subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles. The kit lens emphasizes versatility for vlogging and content creation, and Canon highlights capabilities like 6K oversampled 4K up to 30 FPS and Full HD up to 120 FPS. It's designed to be an approachable hybrid camera for both photography and video work, including a bright 2.36 meg dot EVF and a vari-angle touchscreen. Performance-wise, the R50 delivers notably improved AF performance, faster continuous shooting, up to 15 FPS electronic shutter for stills, and better low light performance thanks to newer processing.